Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the skirt asset and your footage, then immediately align the skirt to the character's waist. Set the anchor point near the hip, about 1/2 across, to pivot naturally. Once done, parent the skirt layer to the main body so movement follows. Turn on motion blur and set samples to 16 at 30 fps to prevent jagged edges. These steps ensure the skirt reads as a single object. They lock the basic physical relationship before animation. Next, create the illusion of fabric responding to motion. Apply mesh warp with a 6x3 grid and keyframe the outer mesh points to flare on stride frames. Simultaneously, add slight rotation keyframes to the parent layer. Make the sway lead the step by 2-3 frames, then settle. Use a cubic Bezier ease in and ease out to mimic wind-resisting fabric. Once you see believable overlap, duplicate the animation with phase offsets for layered motion. Make sure timing varies by a few frames. Finalize by polishing edges and introducing secondary micro-motions. Add a small noise modifier to selected mesh points, amplitude around 2 to 5 px, frequency low so motion feels organic. Feather the skirt edges 1 to 3 px and match color grading to the scene for cohesion. Export using H.264 for web or ProRes for high quality. If the skirt jitters, troubleshooting tip: ensure keyframes don't overlap exact frames. Nudge conflicting key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.